Hey everyone, grab your backpacks, we're going on an adventure. Today we're heading to the heart of India, to a city that's as tough as nails but also full of life. Bhilai Nagar. This isn't some sleepy little town, it's a hub of industry, a real example of hard work and never giving up. We're talking steel mills roaring like lions, the air smelling like metal and the ground shaking from all the machinery. But don't think Bhilai is just rough and tough. We're going to discover the heart of this city, its cool history, its diverse people and the hidden treasures that make it special. So, buckle up because this is Bhilai Nagar, and it's going to be an awesome ride. Okay, let's talk steel. Steel is the backbone of modern infrastructure, and Bhilai is at the heart of it. Bhilai is famous for the Bhilai steel plant, a giant factory that put this city on the map. This plant is not just a factory, it's a symbol of industrial prowess. Imagine a huge pool of melted metal, super hot and dangerous, being controlled by really smart people. These workers are the unsung heroes, managing the fiery beast with precision and skill. This plant, built with help from Russia way back in the 1950s, wasn't just about making steel. It was about building a nation. The collaboration marked a significant chapter in India's industrial history. It became a symbol of India's growth, and it totally changed the local economy. The steel plant's success spurred economic activities, transforming Bhilai into a bustling hub. People came to Bhilai from everywhere, looking for jobs and a chance to be part of this industrial revolution. The influx of workers brought diversity and vibrancy to the city. And it wasn't just the steel plant. The success of the steel plant attracted other industries, creating a ripple effect of industrial growth. Other big industries like power plants and coal mines popped up, attracted to Bhilai's energy and resources. These industries further fueled the city's development. This city became a hotspot for people willing to work hard and build a future. Bhilai's industrial landscape offered opportunities for growth and prosperity. You can see the legacy of this boom everywhere in the strong buildings, the busy markets, and the spirit of the people. The city's infrastructure and community life are testaments to its industrial success. It shows that in the middle of India, Bhilai Nagar is a powerful place. The city's journey from a small town to an industrial powerhouse is truly remarkable. Now picture yourself standing on a high plateau, the wind blowing through your hair as you look out at the land. The vast expanse stretches out before you, a breathtaking view that seems to go on forever. The sky meets the earth in a seamless horizon, creating a sense of infinite possibilities. That's where you'll find Bhilai, nestled in the Durg district of Chhattisgarh. This city is a unique blend of natural beauty and industrial prowess, a place where tradition and modernity coexist harmoniously. This area has its own rhythm, set by the tropical weather. Summers here are scorching hot, with temperatures way over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat can be relentless, making the air shimmer and the ground crack under the intense sun. The sun is intense, a real test of how much heat you can handle. But just when you think it's too much, the monsoon season arrives like a superhero. The transformation is dramatic and almost magical. Tons of rain pours down, turning the dry land into a beautiful green paradise. Rivers get bigger, waterfalls roar, and the air feels electric. The landscape is rejuvenated, bursting with life and color. It's an amazing show of nature's power. Winters, on the other hand, are mild and nice, a break from the extreme heat. The cool breeze and pleasant temperatures make it a perfect time to explore the outdoors. The land rests, gets its energy back, and gets ready for the cycle to start all over again. Each season brings its own charm and challenges, shaping the land and its people in unique ways. This back and forth between extreme heat and life-giving rain shapes Bhilai and its people. It's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of both the land and those who call it home. Over 700,000 people live in Bhilai Nagar, a mix of cultures, languages and traditions. This is a city built by people moving here from all over India to work in its industries. Walk down the street and you'll hear all sorts of languages, from Hindi and Chhattisgarhi to Bengali and Tamil. Each community adds its own special touch, making the city even more interesting. Festivals are full of color and excitement, a celebration of Bhilai's diversity. Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas. Everyone celebrates them with enthusiasm, showing how everyone gets along and feels welcome here. It's this mix of traditions that makes Bhilai so cool. It reminds us that even though we're different, we're all connected. Getting around Bhilai is an adventure itself. This is a busy city, always moving, with roads, railways, and even an airport. Trucks rumble through the streets carrying supplies and finished products, the things that keep Bhilai's industries going. Buses full of people navigate the traffic, showing how energetic the city is. If you want to take it easy, cycle rickshaws offer a fun, old-fashioned way to explore the smaller streets and experience the local vibe. And if you need to go farther, the Swami Vivekananda Airport in nearby Raipur connects you to the rest of India and the world. Bhilai is a city that never sleeps, a place where the journey is just as important as where you're going, and where every way of getting around tells a story. Don't let all the industry fool you. Bhilai knows how important it is to teach young people. The Bhilai Institute of Technology shows how much the city cares about education. There, the next generation of engineers and inventors are learning, getting ready for the future. But education in Bhilai isn't just about school. The Durg District Library, a place full of knowledge, offers a quiet spot for learning and thinking. And then there's the city's art scene, full of music, dance and art that inspires everyone. From traditional performances to modern art shows, Bhilai has something for everyone who loves art. It's this focus on learning and creativity that gives Bhilai a bright future. Even the biggest adventurers need a break from the city, and Bhilai has some surprisingly peaceful spots where one can unwind and rejuvenate. Maitri Bagh, a huge park given to the city by Russia, is a great place to escape the noise and chaos of urban life. It offers a serene environment where you can connect with nature. Imagine walking through its beautiful gardens, smelling the flowers, or taking a relaxing boat ride on the lake. The vibrant colors and soothing scents create a perfect atmosphere for relaxation. It's the perfect place to rest and enjoy nature. Families can have picnics and individuals can meditate in the lush surroundings, finding peace and tranquility. To experience some history, visit Bhilai Nagar, a planned community built when Bhilai's industries were just starting. This area offers a glimpse into the city's past and its architectural heritage. Its buildings and layout show what the city was like in the past. Walking through Bhilai Nagar feels like stepping back in time with its vintage architecture and well-planned streets. And for real adventurers, the wilderness is nearby. The dense forests around Bhilai offer numerous trekking opportunities for those seeking a more rugged experience. The Kailash, an Achanakmar wildlife sanctuary, is a place to see nature at its wildest, with tigers, leopards and lots of birds. It's a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and photographers. And for one last amazing natural sight, go to the Turturia waterfalls, where pure white water falls into the pool below. The sound of the cascading water is both powerful and calming. It's a view that will take your breath away and remind you of how powerful and beautiful nature is. And the sight of the waterfalls is a perfect end to a day of exploring Bhilai's tranquil oases. Bhilai Nagar isn't just sitting still. This city is always changing and trying to get better. New modern things are being built, like fancy shopping malls, high-tech theatres, and world-class places to visit. The city is investing in its future, focusing on sustainable development, making public services better, and improving life for its residents. But with all this progress, Bhilai hasn't forgotten where it came from. The hard work, toughness and community spirit that built this city are still here. So there you have it, adventurers. Bhilai Nagar, a city of opposites, a place where industry meets culture, where old and new mix together, and where people overcome challenges. So there we have it, adventurers. We've explored the heart of Bhilai Nagar, seen its industrial power, and felt the energy of its diverse people. We've learned about its history, its culture, and its hopes for the future. Bhilai shows how tough people can be, a city built with hard work and driven by the dreams of its people. It's a place that challenges and inspires you, leaving a mark on everyone who visits. Remember to subscribe and come with me on our next adventure as we discover more of the world's hidden treasures. Until then, stay curious, stay adventurous.